Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, from Standard 7 English Medium, chapter number 7 in grammar. What is the chapter name? Verbs. Past tense. I have done some information, means some information about the simple past tense. How to make the affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence. As simple interrogative means asking with did and WH question, and some words we change in past. So here given the information about simple past tense. How we say, talk about an event that took place in the past, means just happened in the past. See, both the words given in the past. Studied in modern high. I painted yesterday, showing the past event. Then indicate past habit also. Used to show the habit. I used to get up late when I was a child. Means this showing the habit in the past. When he was a child, he used to what? Get up late. Used to the word showing the habit. When I was a child, I used to read a lot of story books when I was a child, showing the habits. Narrate story. Once word showing when we start the story. Once upon a time, one day, that showing the narrate story. Then talk about history. Ashoka was the son of King what? Ajatasattu. The freedom fighters fought bravely for Indians' independence. Here given the fought word and here was. Both words shows that the past event means history, showing the history. And here given the paragraph. What we do here, we write the correct forms of the verbs. But which verbs given in the brackets? Whichever verbs given in the bracket, we just write in the past form. So let's start. Which words we do write as past? So see, first one has been done for us. Great leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam or Abul Kalam Azad, and Bhagat Singh. Here given the fight, what we write here? Fought, past form of the fight. Okay, so fought for the independence of India. The British, here given the word rule. The British rule. So what we write here? Ruled. R-U-L-E-D. R-U-L-E-D. The first answer. Ruled over India for more than 2 centuries. They blank. And what is the word? Follow. Follow is given. So what we write? The past form. Followed. They followed the policy of divide and rule for governance. Okay? Second answer. Then they blank. Here given the divide word. So what we write? Divided. What? Divided. D-I-V-I-D-E is given. Only just write D. They divided India into 2 nations. Before they blank. Here given leave. So what? The past form of leave? Left. They left the country in 1947. The first has been done, completed. Now comes to the second. Sri Lanka blank also under the British rule for a long time. So here given the to be form. To be form, and Sri Lanka is a singular word. So what to be form? Past to be form is was. Sri Lanka was also under the British rule for a long time. The country blank its independence in 1948. Get is the word. So what is the past of get? Got. The country got its freedom in 1948. On 21st July 1960, Sirimavo Bandaranaike blank office as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Take. Take is the word. So past form of take is took. Okay, see blank means here given the become. So what we write? Became. Became is the past form. She became the world's first female prime minister and the first female head of government in post-colonial Asia. Third one, Nepal blank a monarchy throughout most of its history. Here given the word remain. So the word we write remain, then what we do, only write ed of the word and given the past form remained. Nepal remained monarchy throughout most of its history. In 1990, King Barendra blank, the word is given agree. So what? Agreed. Only write what? D. Agreed to introduce large scale politician reform. He blank introduced, the word introduce. What we write? Only D. Introduced parliamentary monarchy in Nepal. In this system, the king blank remained. So what we write? Remained. The remained the head of the state while the prime minister act is given. So what? Ed write acted. What we write? Acted as the head of government. The country blank see. So what we write? We write so. What we write? So. Okay. So the establishment of Federal Democratic Republic in 2008. Dr. Ram Barai Yadav blank become is the word. So what we write? Became. What we write? Became the first president of Nepal on 23rd July 2008. So this is how we write the past form given here in the bracket main form. Okay, now given the auxiliary verb, the past tense forms of the verbs be and have. Past form of be and have. So the past form of be, was and were, is the past form of be. Which form? Be, was and were. And have form is had in the past. Let's say here I had is the past form of have. Okay, in all forms. Pronouns is given whichever, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Names singular, plural, we write had. Okay, in affirmative is just like short form I had, we had, you had, he or she had, they had, it had. Okay, in negative hadn't, we hadn't, short form, use it. Okay, didn't have any, we also write this, didn't have, you hadn't, they hadn't. Okay, this is how we write the short form. And now, given what I completed this exercise, how to write, and given the information about to be form, past to be form, and have in affirmative and negative, how to write. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.